तेरी मेहरबानियाँ, नाम, सोनी मेहवाल, those were iconic movies. So please, please, a big round of applause. Thank you. Also, one more fun fact about Poonam ji is, शायद बहुत लोग नहीं जानते कि बॉलीवुड में Vanity Van was started by Poonam ji. Isn't that true? Thank you. Welcome so much.
Good evening. Thank you for this lovely, lovely warm welcome. And it's so wonderful to see all these beauties and these wonderful clothes. I think Indian beauties or Indian costume jaisa kuch nahi. It enhances, I think it enhances all the beauty and hides all the flaws. So I think बहुत ज़रूरी है थोड़ा छुपाना, थोड़ा दिखाना. तो हमारी beauties जो हैं बहुत अच्छी लग रही हैं. And I don't envy these judges who have to judge and select a few winners, because I think everybody has a unique beauty in themselves. And I know I've been a judge couple of times and I find it the most difficult task. कि लगता है इसको भी दे दे, इसको भी दे दे, ये तो बहुत, you know, it's like a very difficult job to select and discard somebody and say ये नहीं, ये winner है. So all of you who have participated, I think big accolades to all of you for participating and having the confidence and enhancing yourself and bringing out the best in you. Because it's not the 1 or 2 number which matters. It's all of us who take part. I also took part in a beauty pageant many years ago. So, you know, this is just something which gives us self-confidence. It enhances our self-esteem. So let's just appreciate everybody who's participated. A big hand for all of them. So, Rashmi, thank you for inviting me. And I think it's going to be a great pleasure. Where's Mr. Janak? Unko bhi bulai lijiye. The man behind. Sorry? Oh my God, that's so sweet of you. I thank you for that. I appreciate. Hello, Ji. So I think मुश्किल काम हो चुका है, selection हो चुकी है. So let's go with it and let's take the evening further. It's a pleasure to be here. Thank you for inviting me.
Thank you so much, Poonam. It really means a lot, and of course I do understand coming on this platform means a lot. And this platform is more for empowerment, as we have tween, preteen, teen, miss, Mrs. and also grandmom participated today. And showcasing age is just a number. So thank you so much. They all were actually excited to meet you, and you can see the excitement. It's like they are waiting for you so eagerly. So she is our Noori girls, right? Yeah, and you are in our heart forever. We love you so much, Poonam. Thank you so much. Surya, can you join us, please? Yeah, he's my younger son. And Janak, I would like you to say a few words. And he is the man who is supporting all of us here. And because of him, we all are here. And thank you, Mindu, so much for supporting my dream always. Thank you so much.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Atlanta, for supporting this event. And thank you, Poonam ji. We'll love to see you again and again our event. And thank you, Bindu. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. So let's continue our evening. We will be announcing our empowerment awards for our strong leaders and our sponsors who have supported us. Thank you so much to all our sponsors. Without all of you, this event would have never been possible. Thank you. You can stand this side.
Okay, so now we will be starting our Empowerment and Business Awards for all our well-wishers and supporters. Can I have Sharmila Huda on stage, please? Sharmila Huda. And also, I would like everybody to come right next to the stage. Yes. Next we have Mustafa Ajmeri ji. Mustafa ji. Acha title? I mean, he's the man of Atlanta, guys. Mustafa ji.
Next we have Meeta Ramchandani, Empowered Woman of the Year 2025.
Is Shweta here? Shweta Pakala? I don't think Shweta is here, okay? Can we have Shikha Bajaj? Shikha Bajaj on stage, please. Yeah. Next we have Shanila Memon. Shanila Menon. Garima Dance Studio. Garima Dance Studio. Next we have Anusmita Soor. Next we have Kunjita Vijan. Kunjita Vijan, thank you so much for all your support always. Kunjita. Next we have Konjit Muchala. Konjit.
I don't know, you're not there. Give you my love, but you don't care. So what is right and what is wrong? Give me a shot. I don't know, you're not there.
Our next awardee is Juhi Goyal. Next we have Shantanu Agarwal. Next is Shantanu here? Okay. Also I would like everybody with meet and greet tickets to please line up. Everybody with the VVIP meet and greet tickets, please line up. Also the fashion show groups and the dance school groups, please line up who have meet and greet pictures, please. Thank you. Our next awardee is Balli's Dance Studio, Baljit Kaur. आगे से ही आने दो. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. Okay, next we have Ritu Ramanujan. Is Ritu here? She's coming. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Our next awardee is Happy Day Decor. Happy Day Decor. Thank you. The decor today was by Happy Day Decor. Thank you so much for your support. Priyatama and Gayatri, thank you so much. Thank you. Next we have Archie's Kitchen. Archie's Kitchen, thank you for the yummy food tonight. Thank you so much. Our next awardee for tonight, Priya Dharmendran, and I would also like her models to be ready for the group picture. Priya Dharmendran, can we have your models for the group picture? Are they here? Everybody, whoever is here, hurry up, guys. Hurry up, whoever is here from Priya's group. Okay, hurry up, guys. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you, thank you. Next we have Priya Kumar from Priyata S Team. And can we also have our models on stage, please? Priya Kumar. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Next we have Jeenal Trivedi from Jill Mist and her models, please, on stage.
Every breath you take, and every move you make, every bond you break, every step you take, I'll be watching you. Every single day, and every word you say, every game you play, every night you stay, I'll be watching you. Every breath you take,
Who's there?
and every move you make,
I know pura center ko
every bond you break, every step you take, I'll be watching you. Every single day,
Chalo, chalo.
and every word you say, every game you play, every night you stay, I'll be watching you.
Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Neha Rekhapalli, next awardee for tonight. Guys, yeah, and meet and greet. Whoever's meet and greet, come from the back side, please. Everybody with meet and greet VIP tickets can come line up backside.
Feels like you stick with me. Doesn't really matter if I'm on the ground. Seems like we're meant to be. I don't think who you are.
Okay, एक मिनट ये बच्चों को जाने दें, हाँ? आपका सबका होगा, डोंट वरी. Can I have Nupur Dance Studio kids on stage? बहुत छोटे. Nupur's Dance Studio, can we have the kids on stage also? Performers, please. Hurry up, guys. Come on, everybody, quick, fast. Come on.
So next award for Empower Women of the Year goes to Sai Padmaja. Sai Padmaja, can we have you on stage? Sai Padmaja, are you here? Bring her on stage. Till the time she's coming on the stage, I would like to have Best Dance School of the Year 2025 goes to Akansha Dance Studio. Are they here? Akansha Dance Studio, please. Sai Padmaja, can you take it down? Akansha Dance Studio. Go. One. Come this side. No, she's here. Thank you so much. We have Sai Padmaja here. Thank you so much. Bhushan ji, we would like to have you here. Bhushan ji for the Best Photographer of the Year. Krishna ji will take his picture. Bhushan ji line up. And after that, I would like to have our DJ Rajnikant line up here. Thank you. Thank you so much, Bhushan ji. Best DJ of the Year goes to Rajnikant Dadi. All right, so we can have a meet and greet pictures. Thank you. So can we have the Chopra family on stage, please, for the group picture? Thank you. Thank you. So here we have the Chopra family. Last name Thank you so much. Can we have Smita Kapoor? Can we have Smita Kapoor on stage? Yes, Smita. Yeah. Thank you so much. And we have last one, the Lakshmi Rajesh here. She is also a big fan of Poonam Dhillon. वैसे तो पूनम के सभी फैन हैं. Can we have Shreya back? Okay, Shreya and Pallavi, Meeta for being amazing hosts for tonight. Thank you so much.